A parrot in India cracked a murder case by mimicking the victim's final words, leading police straight to the killer. When the victim's wife noticed the bird repeatedly squawking a specific name, she informed investigators. Astonishingly, the parrot's mimicry unveiled the perpetrator, who turned out to be a close relative. This incredible twist showcased not just the bird's uncanny ability to replicate human speech, but also its pivotal role in solving a chilling crime. Imagine the shock and relief of the family as a feathered witness brought justice, making this parrot a true hero and an extraordinary real-life whodunit.